What's up, guys? Chris Honda here with another video for you. My friend Brett is so nice enough to come out and come see me at a parking lot just so that we could film his 2020 Tesla Model Y. And Brett, tell me the difference between the Model Y and the X.
The Model Y is like a baby X, a little crossover versus a full SUV.
I see it's a little bit shorter. So is this a 5-passenger?
Correct.
5-passenger. And as you said before, this was a the performance model.
Correct.
All right, so we have 3 motors on this one.
It's dual motor.
Dual motor.
Yeah.
But with it, because it's small, it's light. Probably it's. What do they say the 0 to 60 times on this?
They
thing?
estimated at 3.4.
3.4. That's hypercar close, man. Very nice. 2020. And where did we get this car from? Is this a Tesla dealer out here in Vegas?
Yeah, off Sahara.
Off Sahara. And what's the name of that dealership? Tesla dealership on Sahara. Wow, shout out to them. We'll definitely send them this video and do a shout out for them. So Tesla out in Sahara in Las Vegas. We're just going to go and do a quick walk around of Brett's 2020 Model Y. As you can see, it just got tinted. He just got this car. Beautiful looking car. And I don't know if you guys remember, I did a video with Brett's Model X, which was the long range, which was also in my channel, so you guys come check that out. And this one is the Model Y, which I've never seen. I didn't even know they came out with this. When did they come out with this model? March. Wow, so this thing is beautiful, super brand new. As you can see, we are, what are we running, 22s? 21s. Very nice, man. The black on black with the tint. What are we running, like 35, 40% on the tints, or are we doing 5?
We're at 20.
We're at 20%. Very nice pick, man. I can see, you can still see quite a little bit in the inside, but nice and dark. Perfect for desert. Definitely you got to have tinted windows out here in the desert. So we're just slowly doing a quick walk around this. As you can see, he still has the dealer plate on there, right out, the brand new. Look at the rear of this car. It's so beautiful, man. Nice. It really looks like a Model X, but just shorter and no Falcon doors. But wow, beautiful, man. So what else is the differences between this? So I know this is the performance dual motor, 3.4 seconds to 60. And I'm sorry, how much is this, by the way? Can you tell us like a estimate on what these are out now?
They're between 55 and 70.
Wow, so a little bit cheaper than the Model X. Well,
Model X is close to 90.
Still pretty expensive, guys, but I mean $20,000 less about, right? But I mean, I could live without the Falcon doors, man. This thing is so beautiful. I like the size of it. It's a perfect size to get around the city in. Wow. And then what is this black on black on the inside as well? Can we get a interior shot on this? Sorry. Look at the pop out door handles. Oh, with a white interior again, like the Model X. So Brett's Model X has the same interior with the white. I'm so scared to get in here. It smells so good in here, guys. If you can check this out and look at the big display there. Is that an Apple iPad, or is that a strictly Tesla? It's a Tesla thing, right? Very nice. Do not roll down because it just got tinted. Let's just focus in on that real quick. And let's go with the trunk shot. Wow, this thing is sick. Very nice. Got a lot of room in here, so it's not a wow, deep trunk space. Look at that. Do we have a spare for this thing? No spare tire? So what do they give you, like a fix-a-flat?
Well, no, you're on your own on that. You better call AAA.
Now, what's the range of this Model Y?
This one is 290.
290, so it's a little bit 10 miles lower than the
X is 318.
Oh, 318. That's the long range though.
Long range.
Very nice. 290 is not bad. I mean, you got a this is the performance model, so definitely a very nice looking, and it definitely gives you enough touring range for that. 290 is not bad, and that's on a conservative foot. I wonder what you'd get on a heavy foot.
Maybe 100.
Really? That it'd probably be about like 200, I think, at
Probably.
least 180, 200.
It's hard to be conservative in this car.
I'm sure you probably beat almost anything out here off the line, right?
Oh, we're gonna take it for a ride and find out.
So guys, Brett's so nice enough to let me take a ride in this car. So we are going to just take one last look going around here. I'm also going to take some pictures, and then we're going to do a film inside the car. So here you go, Chris's first ride in a Model Y. Thank God, this is awesome. Brett, thank you. And we're going to go and walk inside the car. So make sure my since it's white leather here, I'm scared, man. And what do? Just push this? Oh, and that pops out and that opens up. Oh, Brett, thank you. Look at these mats. How much are the mats for this car? Jesus.
They're not bad.
All right. So, oh, let me just, how do you open this back up? This
See the button?
right here?
Yep.
Oh, wow, cool. All right, just make sure that's closed. And we're looking at the display here. Let me just hit the seatbelt. Brett, thank you so much, man. This is what a treat, guys. Hit the camera there, sorry. It's so quiet. I just hear fans of the this is my first ride in an electric vehicle, by the way.
Oh, okay.
So thank you so much, Brett. So this is the big screen display here. We got Navi. We got the cars. Oh, what's open back there?
That just lets you push the button to open it.
Oh, okay.
So it's all touch.
All touch, man. This is like a big iPhone. Awesome. So, I guess we're gonna go for a ride. I'll focus it on the street and hold on. Wow, it's so eerie. It's so quiet, and it rides really smooth.
So this one will ride a little bit rougher than the long range, only because it has
Sport suspension.
Sport suspension with sport brakes.
Now, did those calipers come red?
Yep.
Wow, so you don't need to do the film like you did on the Model X.
We're going to.
Oh, we're going to. Ooh, what color are we gonna do that in?
Haven't decided yet.
Oh, that's gonna. Oh my God! Holy shit balls! That was awesome! Holy cow, guys! Chris Honda's first ride in an electric vehicle. What is that? Torque is insane! Holy cow! That thing just took off like nothing. I mean, like even like a quick gas car don't have pull like that. That thing pulls like a freight train. Jeez. And with no noise. You know, it's amazing.
Very
I
weird
mean,
at first.
I'm half deaf in my car, and it's still not going anywhere. Oh, this is great, man. So we're gonna go and do a quick ride in this beautiful Model Y here with Brett. This thing punches hard. Look at that. Oh, that thing pulls hard. You can just see that speedometer just climbs so fast. Oh my God, there it is. These brakes feel nice, man. Are these brakes like Brembos or anything like that, or this Tesla model brakes?
Yeah, I don't know if an OEM has that on there or not, but they're regenerative, so I can just let off the pedal and it starts to brake.
Oh, so this has to be a Tesla type brake because they're regenerative. I don't think Brembos are making those. Wow, how awesome is this, man? And it smells so brand new in here. Love that brand new smell. And I saw on Facebook we got a new steering wheel coming for this.
Yep, it'll be here Wednesday.
And was that like made from scratch for you?
Yeah, so you give them the components what you want color combination wise, and then they'll make what you want.
And what company is that?
Unleashed.
Unleashed. So we're gonna make a shout out to them. So guys, we're just gonna do a quick before and after. So Brett's Model Y right now is pretty much stock with just the tinted windows. So we're gonna go and do another video when Brett finishes some more stuff that he's gonna do for this car. So definitely can't wait to see the kind of changes Brett's gonna do. But wow, what a nice ride, man. Thank you so much. Oh, and also Brett has a F350. You have the big F350, right? F250.
It's at the Vegas Auto Fest right now for tomorrow.
Oh, so I'll see you at the Auto Fest tomorrow. Perfect. I wanted to get a film of Brett's 250, so hopefully I'll be able to film your 250 there tomorrow. This is great, man. We're doing like, oh my God, look at that pull. Oh. And look, nobody notices because it's so quiet. You know, like if I romped on my car there, everybody knows, like, look at this idiot, you know, because you can just hear the loud exhaust. But I mean, with an electric, you can kind of sneak around and, you know, you can probably fly by a cop and they won't notice because it's so quiet.
Till the radar goes off, right?
Till the radar goes off. Got to put that Valentine one or that bell in here, I guess. But wow, Brett, thank you for the quick ride along, man, with this car. I'm just going to go and do a couple of pictures before you leave, and then we're going to catch Brett tomorrow at Vegas Auto Fest. And just remember, guys, come see that video. I'm going to be videoing the Auto Fest tomorrow. So I'm going to sign off on this video, and then just let me hit this quick button right here that'll open the door. Look at that, everything's auto. Make sure I didn't leave any things there. And we are just gonna do one last walk. Sorry to freak myself here. One last walk around of Brett's beautiful 2020 Model Y. And the best part I like about the wheels look so nice, man. They look like fans that cool the brakes really well. 21s. I mean, this car comes very, very equipped for an electric vehicle. This is why Tesla's killing it right now. Definitely gonna do a shout out to the Tesla dealer in Sahara. And Brett, thank you so much. We're gonna drop off and we're gonna get some pictures going for this video, and we will catch you guys at the Vegas Auto Fest tomorrow. Peace out.